Hello everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. This is Sam the Sparky here again. This is going to be a very short video. Oftentimes I get asked by my customers on how to replace the battery on the smoke alarm, especially how to get the lead off the base. I'm going to show you in this video the step-by-step process of how to get this done. It's very simple. All you need is a flat screwdriver. This is for a specific type of smoke alarm that you will see in this video. Please do us a favor, smash the subscribe button and make sure you press the notification bell. By this you get to see every of our videos we upload. Without much ado, let's get right into the video. In this video I'm going to show you how to take off this smoke alarm. What you will need is a flat screwdriver and a pair of steps. And then you can see here it says to remove, push screwdriver into slot. I'm not sure if the camera can catch it. And push cover away. So there's a slot there. Push the screwdriver and use that to move. You push it away and then it comes off. Yeah. And then to have it back, put it back on. You see this groove needs to go in there. So it sits and then you slide it towards the catch. That's it. Yeah, that's all for now. Thank you for watching and I catch you in the next video. Bye.